So you want to come with me for a week and kind of see what I do in and out of being a commercial real estate agent? Let's me talking about properties and a lot of stuff in my stories and posts that I put together for you to enjoy. So, hope you do. Thank you so much for joining me. I flew into San Francisco. I normally fly into Oakland, but I flew into San Francisco. I'm working out of a different office this week. Dropped off my belongings and headed to the farmers market. This is Fort Mason and it happens every Sunday. I had to get some refreshments for the week and get a bite to eat, and Fort Mason is awesome. They have wonderful little places to eat and little places to shop. It's really a gathering places for those who live in the marina. Monday, yeah, it started off like that. Had a lot of work up to do, catching up on my newsletter. Every week I do a newsletter. This one was about cold calls, where I give you all the important information on commercial real estate. So make sure you subscribe. The link is in the bio. How many phone calls are you going to make today? How many cold calls are you going to make today? How many? Oh my goodness, you're going to make 50 cold calls today? That is so awesome! Keep going! That's right, you want to try to get in at least 50 phone calls a day. Next day, I had an appointment at the Presidio, and I wanted to go to the Palace of Fine Arts, which was across the street, so I made that trek. Look how gorgeous and beautiful this is. This is an amazing structure in the heart of the marina, San Francisco. It was built for an exposition a long time ago, and oh my word, these beautiful structures and architecture. Hold on, let me do that again. Hold on, these beautiful that I'm going to let you enjoy, and then I'll come back and tell you more about it. As we come out of that beautiful real estate meditation of grandeur, we move on to some of the most expensive homes in the country. This zip code has tons of tourists, but so many wonderful multi-million-dollar homes. Let's get back to the commercial. This is a fantastic mixed-use commercial property. It's residential upstairs and retail downstairs. But it's a fantastic building. It's gorgeous too. And then you can see on the bottom, they've got a liquor store there, as well as a cleaners and a empty space. The day was filled with lots of things, and I did it. And later that evening, I had to finish a masterclass for the membership, and then I got an idea. Literally go on Canva, make an 8x11 flyer with 3 things that your local area is doing to provide COVID restrictions or whatever it is that's new or something that's interesting. Put it on a piece of paper, put it on a flyer, make it colorful, go around your market on foot with a mask, go and drop these flyers off, introduce yourself, ask for the business owner's information, get a card, put it in your CRM, follow up in an email, follow up in a phone call, keep going. That's a potential client. Hey everyone, it's DK and I'm bringing you a property tour. This is not my listing, this is Michael Halprin's listing, the one who trained me and my mentor. And so I wanted to show you a little bit about this space. This is 1,405 square feet, but it also has other spaces there. We'll be walking around and showing them. This is actually zoned NC3 and it's at $24 modified gross. Okay, you can see an entry here, second entry. This is an employee-only bathroom. As you can see, it's not ADA accessible at all. There's no wheelchair that can fit into this one. This is old school. So the new tenant, whoever it is going to really have to take that in mind. Bathroom is just simple. There, needs a lot of work. And this is a warm shell. Figure out what's going on with this empty space here. Your sign could literally be on this building, leasing this space out. The buildings now. And in this building hosts a bunch of computers that keep everything that's ever been on the internet and that ever will be on the internet. It's all there, safe and sound in the Internet Archive. Spaces for lease. So here's a space for lease here. Let's take a little peek inside here so we can see what it looks like. Oh, pretty cool. Okay, Matt, go ahead there.
I'm sure that's not what it's tell you yet. We'll probably end up cutting it this weekend because I don't know how it's going to be. They had to close and then move over there. There. I don't really like the nice of them. This donut shop's been here since the beginning.
Yeah, these are little donut shops. Family gold mines normally. I don't know what it is in San Francisco.
Just 5 course sprinkle donuts in there.
Then we've got an indoor playground here. Ninja Fitness there, kids. Lots of places to eat around here.
And remember, Clement Street is right up.
Peacefully.
This is a San Francisco institution.
So what is it?
Oh, the Russian Ramsay. Look what they're saying. On the top of the building.
Is it in business still, or did they close up?
Well, it doesn't look like they're open right now, but they're definitely not closed up. It's very expensive. Go to Shishi. They have like samovars and things.
Can you tell us about this area, Mike?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to talk about this area? You want to talk all the time, but you can't talk about the area.
I'm not in the filming mode. No.
Fine.
Maybe on the way back, maybe I will talk to be more in the
You
interesting.
see how he does? Because he wants to keep all the knowledge to himself. You see, that's how brokers are. They want to keep all the knowledge to themselves. They don't want to share it. So that's why Divine has to do what Divine is doing because of how you want to learn to lease commercial space like this? Do you want to work with business owners, tenants, landlords, and investors with commercial real estate? That's what I do. I eat, sleep, and breathe it. I hope you learn how to make 6 figures a year by working in commercial. Leasing is like the thing that I think about so much. It encompasses so much of my life. It's actually become part of my brand of who I am as a person. I guess it's kind of a place fashion in a way. I used to be obsessed with fashion. Now it's commercial leasing.